Okay, quick video on how to use the iSimulate. We're going to start first with just the monitor. It's pretty straightforward. This is just the charging stuff that comes with it. So it's got one main block. You can pretty much charge everything with one block. Set that aside. I mean, everybody's got an iPhone, so you can figure that out. All right, for everything to work, you've got to have a wireless network. Here's the modem. You just has to have power of some sort. It comes with, this is in the back. I was charging it. But this is a power block. And you can, on the main thing, let me move this bag out of the way. You set this here. This is your main deal. Okay. You open the back. Cookie can come take a look at this. So you open the back here, and this is your control iPad. Pull it out, and you leave that battery pack, and you plug it in here so it charges. It turns on your wireless network, and then you can plug this iPad in the back in here too. So you've got power source for both of them, and that slides in the kind of the front here. So now you've got the Wi-Fi with the monitor, so you don't have to worry about it staying connected. And then you're going to connect to, it's iSimulate 5.0, not 5G. So iSimulate 5.0. So shut that. You got your control iPad, and you've got the main iPad here, the button. So this is an actual one that you need to swipe up on. And this is the actual program, but let's go ahead and close that out. So if you've never used one of these style iPads, swipe up and out. Shoot. Swipe up like that. Oh, give me a break. So I'm trying to get to all my open apps. So you should be able to just swipe up. All right. There it goes. Oh, are you kidding me? Just because I'm trying to show you how to do it. All right. There, I got it. So you've got the open apps, and you can just get rid of the two open apps. It's a good way to start. On this iPad, it's much easier to do. You just double click the home button, get rid of the apps, and then let's start from ground zero. So the first thing we're going to do is connect to that Wi-Fi. And we'll go here to Wi-Fi connection. I have made it where it forgot the guest network because it kept connecting to the guest network. So don't worry about that right now. If for some reason it doesn't connect to the iSimulate right away, just give it a few minutes for that to catch up. And this one, of course, is going to, I'm going to forget this network. Yes, forget. So I'm waiting for the iSimulate network to come up. Sometimes it takes a second. You need that blue light on right there. And it's not this iSimulate 5G. It's the one that says iSimulate 5.0. It should connect it once it becomes available. There it goes. All right, so this one just got it, so I'm going to select that one, and then I'm going to select that one. All right. So now we have the connection between the two once it connects to that Wi-Fi network. Okay, this is just basics on how to get the monitor going. Set that back in there. All right, we've got both of them set, so we're going to get out of that screen. We're going to get out of that screen, and we're going to open Reality, which is this one here, and this one here, okay? This is the monitor, so we're going to put it in staging. And then this is the control, so we're going to hit control. All right? Then you're going to hit tap to connect, and it's going to connect. This is the green monitor. As you can see, this has a green tag on it. If we were to have multiple different ones, we'd have different colors, but we just have one at this time, so this one's the green one. Connect. All right, so this is ready now. So on your screen, you can either do a quick start. All you want to do is select our monitor screen, and it'll immediately give you the access to our monitor. Or you can select a scenario over here, and we'll go more detail into that. But if you just want to, if you want to be able to run it on the fly, just hit that button, and then it's ready to go. So you just hit start at the bottom, and of course it's not going to do anything until they turn the monitor on. So, but you can set your heart rate by spinning this here. Set your blood pressure here. Now, if you want to make it more complicated, you can open it up and you can set systolic and diastolic differently. Same thing down here, you've got capnography and respiration. So right now I'm adjusting capnography, but hit that button, I can adjust respirations. Again, you can break it out and do both. And you just play with it, SpO2. And like here, until they put the clip on the finger, that's when you hit that button. Same thing here, you got no pad, you got paddles, there, you've got 6 lead or 4 lead for us, and then 12 lead, depending on what they see. If you want to change the rhythm, you just hit the rhythm, pick whichever one you want, and you can change the rhythm. Over here, it's going to have different things, like if you want to go to VTAC, you just hit VTAC, it'll take it to VTAC. If you want to go straight to PEA, you hit PEA, it'll adjust it, but you've always got to hit send. Until you hit send, it's not going to do it. And then you can go watch other videos online on how to do more stuff. This is just kind of basics. So when you're done with the scenario, you hit stop, yes, and it'll turn the monitor off, scenario's over, and then you can go here and do new scenario or load it however you want. That new scenario is not what I want. I want to go to down here and bam, right there. So you can pick another scenario off there. So however you want to do it, load new scenario, there you go, at the bottom. Hit the monitor again and start again. And again here, you turn the monitor on, so on and so forth. Keep it in mind that all this stuff that's in here, all the connections, they just, go over here, Cook, I'll show you. They just kind of they're just kind of connected to a nothing. Everything's run off the iPad. So you can attach it to anybody you want, really. It doesn't matter. You can shock them, you can do everything. Because it's all based on, whatever you put in the control panel. All right, so that's the basics of how to get it running.